too much for me. Too much with your body swaying. Too late, too loud, it's all over for me. It hurts me to say it. My house has been burning lately, filling up with stars. Whatever I got left I could leave. I've been waiting all my life. Never thought that I could love, but I'm staying here forever. And I wanna see you all the time. I can't take my eyes off you. Tell me you don't need me to. Too hard for me. It's too much when my body's aching. Too late, too love, would you care for me? It hurts me to say it. My house has been burning lately, filling up with stars. Whatever I got left I could leave. I've been waiting all my life. Never thought that I could love, but I'm staying here forever. I wanna see you all the time. I can't take my eyes off you. Tell me you don't need me to. Give me another try, maybe a second life. You and I, we gon' be just fine. We gonna be alright. We gonna be alright when it's all over. It's all over. I've been waiting all my life. Never thought that I could love, but I'm staying here forever. I wanna see you all the time. I can't take my eyes off you. Tell me you don't need me to. Give me another try, maybe a second life. You and I, we gon' be just fine. We gonna be alright. We gonna be alright when it's all over. It's all over.
Don't look at me.
I'm not.
Bye, buddy.
Bye, buddy.
I love you.
I love you.
Here, over here. Christopher, I've been dreaming of this day as long as I can remember. Today I become your wife. There's no doubt in my mind that God orchestrated our love story. I am so happy our hearts found their way home to each other, as if in your arms is where I was always meant to end up. As if I were the moon and you were the sun. Just as the sun lights up the whole world, you light up mine. Your mind and soul are so bright. As I walk down the aisle to you today, standing before the cross, let it stand as a symbol of my vow to always follow you through life's twists and turns. Lastly, as your wife, I vow to always love you and hold you a little bit tighter when life gets challenging. I can't wait for what God has in store for our lives together. You have my whole heart and soul forever. I love you.
buddy, I love you. You are and always will be my best friend. I've been patiently waiting for this day since the first time you decided to finally come visit me and make that drive. It was then I realized there was no match to our relationship and no other person I could be as happy with. I feel if our souls are intertwined, like we were together in a past life, and God Himself has had a plan for us even before our existence. You mean more to me than anything this world has to offer. I vow to always make you feel loved, and in general be the best husband I can to an amazing little angel who deserves the most. Oh, and also I vow to never tell you no when you ask for cookies and cream ice cream.
Vested in me, I now pronounce to you that they are husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. And it is my pleasure to announce to you Mr. and Mrs. Wiseman.
Today, this time, choosing the state of my mind, yeah. Guru says so, breathe in and let it all go now. It sinks into your bones like a potion for your soul. Before you know it, you're gold, I'm gold. That's all I'm really here for, yeah. Make no mistake, I'm giving more than I take now. It sinks into your bones like a potion for your soul. Before you know it, you're gold, I'm gold.
This life is a daydream. Our time is a precious thing. We're searching for meaning in the highs and the lows we've seen. one chance in a lifetime.